I am building this bracket for mounting the motor. This is the air filter housing for it, and this is the original drive system. It was direct drive. The motor was fitted on this bracket thing, which was fitted here. So it was, like I said, direct drive. But now I'm converting it to belt drive with reduction. I've just pulled off one of the cylinder heads. Just to have a look at the cylinders, and they seem to look just great, so I'm happy about that.